Palladio residential complex by V8 Architects in Rotterdam, the Netherlands. The Rotterdam Prinsenland neighborhood is known for its mix of Dutch urbanism concepts, which were developed during the period between the 1960s and 1990s. The neighborhood features block compositions of various volumes that incorporate both high and low building slabs, along with large public areas that remained undefined. Currently, the neighborhood is undergoing significant changes which include large-scale densification, sustainability renovations, and the urban acupuncture of the Palladio apartment complex. V8 Architects has completed a new residential complex on the site of a vacant 1987 office building on Palladio Street. The complex reflects a human approach to creating affordable and rental apartments. Palladio comprises of 96 two- and three-room homes equipped with balconies or terraces, and floor areas ranging from 44 to 84 square meters. Courtyard and balconies, diversity in outdoor living spaces. Palladio is a modern hybrid vision between a slab and a communal courtyard. The complex consists of 2 blocks enclosing a green court, a semi-public space that serves as an entrance and meeting point for residents. The complex is distinguished by its versatile outdoor areas, such as winter gardens, loggia and balconies, and the court, designed to establish a specific relationship between the residential quality and the urban context. Through this variation in outdoor areas, Palladio contrasts the repetitive patterns found in surrounding flats. This integration of functionality and aesthetics is at the heart of the concept, where 3 essential elements, courtyard, balcony, and interior, merge to create a healthy and pleasant quality of life. Identity through brick. The choice of brick as the dominant material contributes to the distinctiveness of the design. A specific white-gray brick, which derives its color from marlstone in the firing process, gives the depth and texture of the facade. This careful selection is accentuated by sophisticated masonry details that shape the building's unique architectural identity. The facades on the street side show a varied structure, while the courtside displays a harmonious arrangement of windows and balconies. Collaboration. Together with Era Capital and Crefu, V8 Architects has worked closely with the municipality of Rotterdam to create a comprehensive plan that ensures the highest quality. Co-founder and architect Rudolf Eilander of V8 Architects said, "Palladio is not just a housing project, but an area development that has been thought through and designed down to the smallest details, right down to the unique masonry in beautiful stone." Palladio is the first phase of a 2-part development. A second phase will welcome another 65 apartments later this year.